Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you ways to speed up your Windows 10 system. Number 1. Search up in your Windows 10 search. You need to search up performance. Don't click on performance, click adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Now, usually Windows sets it to best appearance, but you want to set it to let Windows choose what's best for your computer. You should see some remove. You can remove some more stuff if you want it becomes faster. If you want best performance, just apply this and it'll be so much faster. But for now, I just choose that. You can read some ones here. So now you can apply. And you wait for it so you're able to click OK. Okay, stop not responding. I don't care. So now the second way is to go here and type in. I'm going to go to control panel. Control panel. And you need to go into. You need to go. Where is it? It's somewhere like Power Options there. Go to Power Options and click on Additional Parents. Click High Performance. And now click X. So these are the ways to make your computer faster. You can also remove files from your system using Disk Cleanup. These are all the ways that I know so far that you can speed up your Windows. Do not trust any other ones, like fake ones. You know, there's fake ones where they actually work, but then you have to pay and it doesn't work. Yeah. So, and yeah, so hope you enjoyed this video. If this helps you, make sure to like and subscribe if you did enjoy this. And